I really enjoyed being at Bates. Some of my favorite parts are my instructor. Just the way he put together the program and structured it. I feel like I came out of it with an amazing base to then jump off from, whether in my own company or in industry. Obviously the facilities are great. I felt like our wood shop was super well equipped with amazing tools, but then also just the people here are really awesome. Everyone that I came in contact with, I feel like really cared about my journey. So if I was putting in the work, obviously they're going to come back tenfold with it. So I just had a really good experience, and I feel like everyone just like really cared about what I needed and what I wanted with my education.